Hi there! In today's episode we're going to look at planet Earth. Now you may think you know everything there is to know about our world, but here are some facts you may not know. The Earth's axis tilts at 23.5 degrees compared to its orbital plane around the Sun. This is why we get seasons. It has nothing to do with distance. In fact, in the northern hemisphere we are closest to the Sun in early January. Earth's average distance from the Sun is 149 million kilometres. Now it takes the Earth 23.934 hours to complete a rotation on its axis and 365.26 days. Water covers roughly 71% of the Earth's surface. Its atmosphere is 483 kilometres thick and only 21% of the atmosphere is oxygen. 78% is nitrogen and the rest are trace gases like argon and carbon dioxide at 0.04%, but we all know it's a very important 0.04%. Now the Earth's core is about 4,400 miles, 7,100 kilometres wide, and it's slightly larger than half the Earth's diameter, and with an inner core temperature of 7,000 degrees C, which is hotter than the Sun's surface. Earth is the first planet from the Sun to have a moon. It's also the only planet with one moon. And our moon is thought to have formed as a result of a collision with a large body in the early days of the solar system. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe, as we aim to get videos out released about once a week or so on various astronomical topics. And if there's something that we haven't covered that you'd like to see covered, well, message me below and I'll do my best. I'll certainly respond. So I hope you enjoyed today's show, and thank you for watching, and thank you. See you next time.